What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I will be sharing with you exactly how step by step you can transfer money from your Wise account to your bank account worldwide. So whichever country you have opened your Wise account from, I'll be showing you how you can transfer your money to your account. So once you're in your Wise account, select send, select your Wise balance that you want to send from. Here, if your currency is not shown in the drop down list here, then select same currency. Your bank will convert the money to your local currency. So continue, then select new contact. So I'm going to send to myself. So here you have the ACH routing number. A lot of individuals come on this page and not realize there are other options. So for the international option, what you want to use is the SWIFT option for wire transfer, and then provide the SWIFT code for your bank and your bank account. To locate the SWIFT code for your bank, you can simply Google. So for example, this is the SWIFT code for my bank. So ensure that you confirm with your local bank. So what the SWIFT code does is that uniquely identifies a bank in a country. So it's gonna just identify your bank and then map your account to that bank. So chances are what will happen is that they will send it to an intermediary bank. So don't figure how they're going to work out that logistics. So let me hit back and select a contact which I have in place already. So I'm going to select my account here. Select your reason for transfer, right? I'm going to say other, then continue. And then here it gives me an estimate of how much it will cost to send the money from Wise. Now this amount is usually fixed, so if I change this amount that I want to send to, let's say $10, continue, select continue, then you'll see that the fee is the same amount. So all I need to do now is just select send and confirm. So typically it will be in your account within a day. So what they normally do is that they're going to say 1 to 5 business days just to give some overhead to meet their customers' expectation. So if you're not using Wise guys, I recommend that you create an account with Wise. It's a very good account to have. Another feature I want to show you on the Wise is that you have the option to get digital card as well as a physical card. Now this is only available in some country. A workaround to this is that you can switch your account to a country where it is supported. However, I recommend that you do a couple transactions on your account first before you're switching it, because then they'll ask you to verify your information again, and chances are you will not have that information to provide. However, once you have the digital card, you can use it without having the physical card, and you can always use your physical card to withdraw money from the ATM. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.